Okay, as we've all experienced at times, as the car gets older, the headlights start to get this oxidation on there. Not as clear, start to maybe yellow. So I'm going to try this Meguiar's headlight restoration kit and see what happens. You at least want to put some masking tape at minimum around it, as you are basically sanding it with like a Brillo pad for the cleaning portion. You don't want to damage your paint a little bit, so just a little bit around the outside will help to or allow you to clean your light here without damaging your hood paint. Alright, you're going to just put a little bit of this cleaning solution on the pad. We'll start cleaning here along the light. I spent most of my time here on this top portion where it looks the worst. It oxidizes the most. So then we wipe it off, and it will give you an idea on if you need to clean some more, put some more on there. You should have this uniform blurriness really in the light. And I can see, I don't know if you can, but I probably need a little bit more right here where it was the worst, and along in this area. So I will probably spend a little bit more time and do some more of that. As you're cleaning this, depending on how bad your lights are, you may do this for 3 minutes. You may do it for close to 10 minutes if you kind of wipe it down and it still looks bad. But you just have to clean it well, remove that bad portion of the headlight to get to the clear stuff again. You just take a damp rag and clean off the residual cleaning solution after you've wiped it down. And then make sure it's nice and dry. Just got another dry rag here before you spray anything on it. Now, when you dry it off, when it's wet, it looks pretty good. When you dry it off, it won't look quite as good because what you've done is you've lightly sanded and it's kind of made it not quite as clear. But when you put the clear coat on it, that will make it look better. Okay, so now that that's clean and dry, I'm just going to spray with the headlight coating. So overall, this looks much better. You really don't see any sign of the oxidation. So thus far, this Meguiar's headlight restoration kit seems to have done very well, and I'll try to put an update here in a few months and see where it's at.